Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This will be a short video of my yield nodes earning for the month of March 2022. Are we averaging 10% returns per month? You shall soon see. If you want to see my original video on what yield nodes is and how to set up your yield nodes account, then see the link below. In this video, we will review March 2022 yield node details in my account, along with a brief description of what is yield nodes and is this project legit or a scam. Remember, as always, nothing in this video or any of our videos is financial advice. I'm just sharing with you some of the projects I have researched and invested in myself. I want to find as many passive income sources for myself as I can. In doing so, I want to share these with you all, my subscribers. So what are yield nodes? Yield nodes is a complex, multi-tiered node rental program based on the new blockchain-based economy. Revenue is generated through a combination of master noding, price gains, and services that work in unison to leverage each other in their own ecosystem. Since inception, yield nodes has not only grown considerably but has also encompassed other areas to stabilize and leverage revenue. Yield nodes started as a side project in 2018 and entered an extensive beta phase with a group of hand-picked early adopters at the end of October 2019. Over the next 30 months, beta testing and live operation, yield nodes generated a return of 306.4% for those participants, despite the pandemic. This corresponds to an annual return of 120%, and for participants who took advantage of the monthly compounding option, a gigantic 213.84%. March 2022 review. Since this is my first review video, let me start with January and February, and then we will get to March. Let's click on See Detailed Report here. This 844.69 in euros, or about 900 USD, was my original investment back in January 2022. Plus, this $45.57 equals this $890.26, and so on. January was a real short month for me, and I still had a profit of 5.39%. The note here says, profit for this period was lower than expected due to late deposit. And that is true. February 2022, I had a profit of 8.3%. March 2022 was a profit of 7.4%, so it did fall off a little. But 7.4% for just 1 month is freaking perfect. My savings account at the bank that pays me the most just went up to an annual percentage rate of 0.6%. That is 0.6%, not 6%, and that is annually, not monthly. Here on the dashboard, you can see the weekly profits for April so far. Week 1 equals 1.9%. Week 2 equals 1.7%. And Week 3 equals 2%. I can't wait to share April's results with you all shortly. These gains are true gains. As I state in every node video, other than yield nodes, the way the other node projects work is that you use a blockchain's main coin to purchase the project's token, and then the ROI is based on the project's token. Here I purchased with Bitcoin and will be paid out in Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin's value may decrease from the time I invested, but I feel that Bitcoin 5 to 10 years from now will be worth way more than it is today. So I'm good. The reason why I created this YouTube channel is that I was upset with myself for waiting so long to seriously start investing. And then I saw how easy it was to invest in anything I wanted to. So I really wanted to share my late journey to inspire others to get a head start on their financial future. I used to have a lot of debt. I became debt-free using budgets and changing my lifestyle. Once I became debt-free, I started to invest in stocks, IRA accounts, 401k through work, and crypto. So please use my story as encouragement. If I can do this, you can too. With any project like this, please do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. I really want to hear from you all below. What do you think about yield nodes? And what other projects like this are you all involved in? Let's discuss them together in the comments below. Have a great rest of your day or evening, and take care, my friends.
If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.